Solving for x and y of x plus y equals 6 and x times y equals 36. From the first equation, we'll solve for x. So we get x equals 6 minus y. We'll substitute this into the second equation to yield 6 minus y times y equals 36. We'll expand the left side to get 6y minus y squared equals 36. We'll multiply both sides by -1, and then we'll put the y squared in front. So we have y squared minus 6y equals -36. We'll solve this by completing the square. And we'll think y squared minus 6y plus a serious number. What perfect square would it make? Well, we'll take half of -6 to get -3. So to complete the square, we're going to square that 3 to get plus 9. Add that to both sides. -36 plus 9 is -27. Now we take the square root of both sides, which creates an absolute value, which creates the plus and minus. So we have y minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of -27. -27 can be rewritten as -9 times 3. And so, if we simplify it, square root of 9 is 3, square root of -1 is I, square root of 3 is square root of 3. And then we'll add 3 to both sides to get y equals 3 plus or minus 3i root 3. So we have the y value. Now we need to know the x value. So let's go over here. So since x was equal to 6 minus y, we'll substitute the y value in. So x equals 6 minus 3 plus or minus 3i root 3. Distribute the negative sign and we get x equals 6 minus 3 minus plus 3i root 3. We'll simplify the 6 minus 3 to be 3 minus plus 3i root 3. So our solutions, 3 plus or minus 3i root 3, comma 3 minus plus 3i root 3. Solution looks strange, so let's separate it to make it more clear. So we have, first solution, if we use the purple sign, the top one, 3 plus 3i root 3, comma 3i minus 3i root 3. And we use the bottom sign, the green sign, we have 3 minus 3i root 3, comma 3 plus 3i root 3. So these are our two solutions. The solution does look weird, so good habit, check your work. So x plus y, does it equal 6? So we have 3 plus or minus 3i root 3 plus 3 minus plus 3i root 3. Instead of checking both solutions separately, let's just check them together. Notice that we're adding two conjugates together. So when we add two conjugates, the beginning part, the 3 plus 3 is 6. And the latter part of the conjugate, plus or minus 3i root 3 plus minus plus 3i root 3, they will cancel each other out and create 0. So x plus y is equal to 6, which works out. What about x times y? Does that equal to 36? Well, we're multiplying two conjugates together. So when you multiply two conjugates together, you get a difference of two squares, which will involve the 3 and a 3i root 3. So we have 3 squared minus 3i root 3 quantity square. That simplifies to 9 minus 9 times -1 times 3, simplified to 9 plus 27, so it's equal to 36. So x times y is equal to 36. So we've checked the work and we made sure that it is valid. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more math content. Thank you.